The center is autonomous but resorts administratively under the Bank of Namibia and made a total of 344 disclosures and responses to requests for information to Anti-Corruption Commission, NAMPOL, Ministry of Finance, the Office of the Prosecutor General, and Foreign Financial Intelligence Units. The center's director, Leonie Dunn, told a media briefing during the launch of the annual report that contrary to widely held belief, the agency does not have investigative or arresting powers. It is, however, responsible for gathering intelligence information, freezing bank accounts suspected in money laundering cases, and seizing proceeds of illegal activities, but only for 12 days.
We use the financial intelligence we produce, the outcome of regulatory activities we conduct, and administrative penalties to prevent criminal abuse of our financial system, to help government, law enforcement to detect, deter, and disrupt organized crime, serious financial crime, money laundering, terrorism financing, and proliferation.
The FIC, during the year under review, also contributed to 84 investigations conducted by law enforcement agencies and other competent authorities such as the Ministry of Finance, financial regulatory bodies, and regulators of the legal profession. The cases involve fraud, corruption, poaching, dealing in drugs, pyramid schemes, and money laundering. 15 money laundering convictions and criminal sanctions were secured, with 50 cases of similar nature pending before the courts. The center, however, faces challenges in the areas of available human resources, technology, and financial resources, which impede on the speedy removal of proceeds of crime from the financial system, as well as disrupting the flow of financial resources to those involved in criminal activities.
In this regard, for the year under review, we have established the Joint Intelligence Task Force that consists of private sector plus law enforcement plus identified government ministries, offices, and agencies and FIC. So they come together. And unlike traditionally, where we would get information, pass it on from one agency to another, these agencies and private sector now collectively gets around the table, and when there is a matter of national interest, they work on the information in conjoint fashion as one team to get the best possible information out to law enforcement, to our courts, and to the prosecution for further action.
The work of the FIC is to ensure that Namibia has a stable, reliable, and credible financial system, and educating stakeholders about actual and potential risk of money laundering and terrorist financing to the economy and national security of the country. The center receives information via various types of sources, suspicious transactions, analyzing of these, and disseminate the intelligence information to law enforcement agencies.